Wait, you guys rear guard. Yo, Green, over here. We need backup. Now! Get over here. Wait, he's a medic. He's gonna revive these guys. We got more guys in. Go, 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 you're covered. Yo, one of you get with me. Let's cover these guys.
I know that we are upside down, so hold your tongue and hear me out. I know that we were made to break, so what I don't mind. You cue the lights, so drop the blinds. Don't sparkle in your eyes.
Yo, we gotta get him out of here now. They're coming up from that way. Where do they gotta go? Let's go, where are we headed?
All the way to the end.
That's good. There's enemies that way. We gotta take them a different route. We gotta get these guys another way. They're all over there. A lot of them. Where do we gotta get you to? 17?
Gotta get him to that gate, bro.
Let me go first. Let me go first.
Back him up.
Watch these corners. Green? Green, get over here. We need help now. Yes, Green. We're clear this way. Watch, watch, watch. Contact! Sarah, Sarah, Sarah! Wait, Sarah, Sarah! Green? Green! Hold on, friendly, friendly! Green! All I heard was shooting, and so I started firing back. Sorry. Get in here! Get in here! Contact! Keep them moving! You guys hold them off! We got these guys! You guys hold them off! Yo, where are you two going? Yo, where are you headed? Is it done or?
No, we need Philly to get it. Right, off to our left.
We gotta get out of this building through the front. There's only one door. Yo! You gotta get them out the front now! They gotta get out this way. Yo, door, door! Friendly. Is this an exit? Yes, exit, exit! It's just us two, brother.
I can't see it. Cover, cover.
Got it. Green! Guys, cover this road! I need you guys moving up this road now. Cover that road.
Once you go through here, you cannot come back in.
Where's your shit?
That's the bend.
We have to fucking go out there. Listen.
How far is it?
Right after
You're gonna have to fucking, I'm gonna take them out. You're gonna have to rally the fucking troops and get us that entrance open. Because we can't go back.
I need to know what entrance we're getting to.
all the way down.
The other side of the field.
That's to the right of the building.
So Can't we just cut along these trees? Yeah. No, on this side. Yeah. You can't?
We have to go on the outside.
We are at building 18. Oh, not at building
So
18.
we can't be with you? I don't get how this is working.
If you want to, you can come.
But we can't shoot.
You can shoot. It's just once you go through this door, it doesn't go back.
How you guys get back in?
You gotta go past the over there. That's what I'm saying.
Oh shit.
This is only an exit.
Is that the elevator stuff right there?
Right now, the alleyway is out or that. You gotta go through that one. Sooner or later, so you're not going to go either way. And that one goes
Oh, you gotta go completely through? Wait. If they're going through here, we gotta get forces all the way to the front gate again.
I have the money, yeah. So you're gonna, this is what we're gonna do. I have the money. I gotta pay this. I gotta go with them.
Yo, guys, we have a lot of guys.
The door's on this side. Have guys working on this side.
I know, but we gotta get you through the
Right,
field.
you get through this door.
Alright, I'll have guys stand. Yeah. Alright, we need guys on this door over here. Alright. Alright, us three, let's grab this way. The old. What am I gonna move it? Hey!
There was a place, but there was fear inside.
Let's head up this way through the woods.
Line to save my face, a parachute of pride.
That's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about your camo. I forgot they're not wearing that. We're all wearing black and other colors. We'll stand out in there. I know, but if we all look like that, we can. Literally, he turned around and took a piss before over there. We didn't know where he was. We literally didn't hear his. We heard his voice. He was like, "Ah." All right, let's get out of this spot. Cool. Friendly. Watch this. Go on. Little. Back up. Go. Yo, you breach that one, they go for the top one, I got the bottom. Go.
Come on, hands up in the air, come on! Get your hands up! Get your hands up! Hands up! Once again, tomorrow we'll make some noise!
Down the stairs. Go on. What? Tangles? Those are ours, yeah. They're in jeans, guys. They're in jeans. Yeah. They wouldn't be down there. Watch your line of sight.
Basically, the truck that you guys are going for.
Who is allowed to move it? Oh, okay. So it's not necessary to actually move the vehicle. Gotcha. Alright, guys. Stack on that corner. Where are you pinning? Yeah. Yo! Out of the fence line! Oh, you gotta get out of there too. You can't be in there. Medic! Medic! Yeah. You gotta untie my knot. Use me as a shield. Manny! You alright? You okay? Where are they? Manny, you good? Alright. Yeah, you guys can get out of the way just so you're not hurt. Ah, don't miss. Oh! Yo! Yo! Alright, they're all dead.
Come on, Wolf. Let me see those hands in the air. Come on.
Okay.
Clap, 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 clap. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Clap your hands.
Yo, while we have the firepower, let's revive as much as we can. Let's take Bravo. 2. They still think I'm dead. Is this thing still flashing? Is it?
You guys all dead?
Fine, everyone get in. Manny, don't hurt yourself. That kid gets himself fucking hurt so many times. Be careful. You're gonna use cover, so you have more cover. Good. You have to wait until one run. Manny! Manny! Take a team, clear it. Take a team and clear that building. I'll hold fire, I'll pin them down. No, that's one. This is still one. You just gotta get around this blue thing into the door. Go! Get around the blue thing through the door. We'll pin them. On my mark. I know, that's when it's firing. 3, 2, 1, start! Loading! Hey! And this is her last fight too. So we're both on our last fight. Then we got a red con. Can we get down here? I don't. Oh shit!
Everybody raise your hand. Everybody raise your hand. Everybody
Yo,
raise your
hey!
hand. Everybody raise your hand.
Okay. Yo, you can't shoot from the fence line. That's literally part of the rule. Because then we have to return fire and it's towards the vehicle. Please just follow the rules. Thank you. I got shot right here. I'm lucky it didn't go under. I'm dead. Technically I shouldn't be because he broke the rules, but hey, some of us have to play fair. I really almost hit my eye. I'm putting my freaking... I'm hit! I'm still... Okay, you're good, you're good. Why you didn't hit going? Last time you got over there, you needed it. Last time, this is now. That was funny. Oh yeah, I forgot all this is on video. Whatever. Out. He's out. He's out. Yo, get that man from me. Can you get that man from me? Go. Now, use the machine. Go. Bella, go prone. Fall back and crawl away.
Ready for some new music?
What? What? Where are they coming from? Yeah. Yo, that window. Yo, she's back in the doorway. That's where they've been shooting from? You all using tactics, I don't want to hear it. I'm trying to identify a target. I'm watching both. I can do both. In that
Tomorrow world, if you guys enjoy yourself, let me hear you make some noise.
got him. Yeah, I see movement. Down. No, I'm not dead. It's moving pin. They literally have a perfect line of sight on me. If I get up and it falls, they got a sight on me. I'm falling back a little bit. laser was moving in a small circle.
Just one day in life, so I can understand. Fighting just to survive.
It's dangerous twisting and turning.
I can. We are lucky ones. Oh, we are lucky ones. We are.
No, I'm gonna take a block.
Once again to Ballroom, are you guys ready? Come on, come on, come on! Everybody fucking jump!
What? My freaking contour. Alright, it does have one downfall. That's transformed. Watch that door! Yeah, I'm flipping a stroke. Ooh. You guys glow in the dark. You guys glow in the dark, BB. Shit, I didn't even know you were there. I'm so sorry. Stop. What? I really can't. Give me a second. So good for somebody. What? Guys want to check? Ralph. Manny wants you. Huh? Okay. Firefight. What? Completely. You're not even allowed in the building. That's Manny. That's me. That's me.
Everybody fucking jump!
I don't see anything. I know for a fact you can't get up there. Well, commands are helpful in BB work. There's no meds, you know pew pew.